Always consult your healthcare provider to ensure the information displayed on this page applies to your personal circumstances. Before giving Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid to your baby, make sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician. They can provide you with more information about the best dosage and timing for your baby's needs. It is important to follow their guidance to ensure the safety and effectiveness of this medication for your baby. Remember to always consult your pharmacist or physician before using Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid. If you experience any side effects, be sure to contact your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid is used as a complete source of nutrition for term infants. It is also suitable for infants with galactosemia and lactose intolerance. The recommended daily dosage varies depending on the age and weight of the infant, so be sure to follow the guidance of a healthcare professional. This oral liquid can be taken at any time of the day, but it is best to discuss the optimal timing with your doctor. Before giving Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid to your baby, make sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician. They can provide you with more information about the best dosage and timing for your baby's needs. It is important to follow their guidance to ensure the safety and effectiveness of this medication for your baby. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician for any questions or concerns about Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist for proper management. If someone has taken too much Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Unfortunately, there is no specific information available about Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid at this time. However, it is a soy-based infant formula designed for babies with feeding issues such as fussiness and gas. It provides complete nutrition for infants and can be used as a supplement or as a sole source of nutrition. The daily dosage should be determined by a healthcare professional based on the individual needs of the baby. It is best to consult with a pediatrician to determine the optimal timing for giving this formula to the baby. Before giving Enfamil Prosobee Lipil oral liquid to your baby, make sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician. They can provide you with more information about the best dosage and timing for your baby's needs. It is important to follow their guidance to ensure the safety and effectiveness of this medication for your baby. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.